ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಓಯ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ probably may I just straight away invite my lord's kind attention to only one paragraph in the statement of victim, which my lord may kindly turn to page 41.
No, which is the case that I considered?
The other case. Kindly go to page 41 minutes for a second.
Yes, sir.
This is 164 statement of the so-called victim. Kindly go to 42 now. 42. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾನೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Kindly read this minute.
40.
In the single
Opposite side serve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. Yes, sir. 40?
164 commences at 41. Relevant paragraph at 42.
All right.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ
ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now I have given the compilation. Only 376 ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ಇದು ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ?
ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಪೇಜು, ಈ ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ.
41.
That will be easy. 41.
Sorry, my lord. Submission. Folks, additional SVP will come.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
Has it got even the tinge of an offense under section 376? Next, my lord.
1 minute.
Kindly go to 64 now. Your lordship has finished reading this one, this paragraph.
One moment.
42. 42 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will go to 61 and 64. At this point of time, it may constitute an offense, certainly, maybe under the POCSO, certainly not under section 376. Kindly go to page now 61. It commences at 61. Kindly go to page 62. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಳು ಕಳ್ತನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕದೀತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಸಾಮಾನು ಕದೀತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ಪೆನ್ನು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕದೀತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. She is said to be another victim. Well, most important is, now kindly go to page 79. Well, the two witnesses are lugged into this case saying that they are also the aggrieved. They will say, why are you inviting me into this problem? For this dirty politics which you have been playing, I am going to file a police complaint against you.
Where is that?
That your lordship would get at page 79. Kindly go to page 79.
I am at 79.
No, prior to that, my lord, I would like to draw my lord's kind attention to page 67. 67 is mother. Kindly go to 68. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅಮ್ಮನವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ದೂರಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ತಂದರು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೂ ಗಾಯತ್ರಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ದೂರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಗರು, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಓಡಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಕರೆಯಬೇಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ಓದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಏನು ಆಗಬಾರದು.
This is a witness, is it?
Mother, my lord. No, my lord, I shall take your lord.
Whose mother? The victim's mother.
Victim's mother, another victims, so called. Now kindly go to page 72 now. Then I shall take your lordship to the next statement, page 72. Namma mele complaint kottru, because her name is also included in the complaint as one of the victims. Namma mele complaint kottrudu sullu, namme mele yak complaint kottidare gottilla. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರ ಹೆಸರು so and so, so and so, so and so. Then my lord, next page. ಆಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Now my lord, kindly go to next
page.
The father, 77. Grandfather. Kindly go to page 78.
Of the victim?
Of the victim. My lord, kindly go to page 78. My lord.
Yes.
in the middle,
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನೇ.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಬೇಡಿ, ಈ ಮುಂದೆ SP ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಯ್ತು,
No.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು.
Now what is the challenge here?
Well, the challenge is the order of taking cognizance for more than one offense. Number one, if my lord is inclined to accept my submission that from her 164 statement, you not even a tinge of evidence with regard to an offense under section 376. Number one. Number two, my lord, it is covered by your lordship's judgment, which in fact came to be confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court, that religious institutions
ಅದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
kindly turn to page 2, my lord. Then same thing, same offenses, same thing. Kindly turn to page 2 of my compilation, the proceeding sheet.
Cognizance taken.
Ella, same.
Religious institution misuse, juvenile justice.
Idu tappe. But the latest judgment of the Supreme Court is in Delhi Race Club case, how the court has got to take cognizance, how the court has got to pass the order under section 204. Same thing. Your lordship in fact has quashed religious institutions prevention of.
That's the only thing I've quashed out of this.
No, your lordship has quashed all the three.
All the three ಯಾವ್ದು?
Yes, yes, yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Gang
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
rape I have quashed.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ SC/ST ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದಿತ್ತು.
SC/ST, religious institutions, ಆಮೇಲೆ 75 and 77 of the Juvenile Justice Act ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ultimately what remained was only 376
And POCSO.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಾಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
Same thing we'll do here also.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 376 ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
That will answer.
Yes,
Yes.
probably it may warrant some examination at your
But
lordship.
the amalgam of this cannot continue.
ಅಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. Another is at serial number 91.
91 ಇವತ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು. 96, I am sorry, my lords. Same.
Yes, Jagdish.
File
No, these copy ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Why?
needs to be misplaced mail in the office. It's not.
ಎಲ್ಲ teething problems.
Your lordship
No.
in earlier case. my lord,
Earlier
also-
case I have quashed.
Yes, madam.
I have retained only the offense under section 376.
Yes.
2N
Yes.
of repeated rape.
Yes, ma'am.
And the I think another POCSO case.
Folks, okay.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ I have quashed, and that is found by Supreme Court. Where is
Yes,
that order? Supreme Court?
Yes, yes, yes. Supreme Court has said you proceed to frame the charge only for the such of those offences that has been.
There is a
referred to.
reference to the order that this court had passed.
Paragraph 5, my lords. Paragraph 5. Your lordship would get the connecting link in the previous page, para 1.
The High Court, very detailed order implementing this
Yes.
petition, touched upon the merits.
And your lordship may recall to your lordship's memory, the writ petition that had been filed, ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೇನೆ. Don't enter this district
Correct,
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ,
that I
ಇದೇ
remember.
ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ.
That I remember.
The learned judge would issue a non-bailable warrant.
No, that is all,
No, same
our
case.
orders are over. I know in this case.
In this case,
So where is the reference to my order in this?
your lordship's, my lord, para 1, page 4.
Page 4. Page 4.
3 and 7 of Religious Institution Prevention of Misuser Act. Sections 3(1), etc. of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1999, etc., etc.
The charges have been quashed in the following. I remember, gang rape I have, gang rape ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ.
Blood,
Not one ಬೇರೆ ಐತೆ,
at
ಅದನ್ನು
paragraph.
201 I have quashed.
Last but one page ಅಲ್ಲಿ, the trial court.
What remains is 376 2N, 376 3, 5 and 6 of POCSO. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
What the Supreme Court has said is the trial court forthwith will frame the charge afresh in the light of the order dated 11th of
Yes.
March 2024 passed by the High Court.
Now this cannot sustain. ಇದೇ ತರ. Whether
Yep.
376 ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ we'll see.
day after
But religious institution ಇದೆಲ್ಲ it can't go on.
that has to go, my lord, but day after tomorrow I'll have to look at the entire record, my lord, then I'll, day after.
We'll take it day after tomorrow. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? Then ನಾಡಿದ್ದು
Day after
ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Heard the learned senior counsel, the CV Nagesh
ಅಲ್ಲ,
appearing.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, what my colleague tells me is, ಅವರೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ SP ಹತ್ರ.
Let's see.
Yes.
heard the learned senior.
SP ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವ್ರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ he is released now on bail, my lord. On Supreme Court. In fact, ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಪ್ಪದರಲ್ಲಿ. We submitted before the Supreme Court. If the apprehension of the prosecution is that I am likely to tamper with the prosecution witnesses, let them file a list of witness, material witnesses list. No sooner their examination is over, I will be out. Then, my lord, they would file a list of 13 witnesses. Their examination, cross-examination, everything is over. Now they are set off. Now, my lord, they have gone to the SP and made an application
All
for
right,
him to lay
yes.
their hands.
In this case,
Yes, in this case.
heard the learned senior counsel C.V. Nagesh appearing for the
And
petitioner.
96 also, connected.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಎರಡು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಹೌದು, ಇದೇ FIR.
ಸೇಮ್
Same,
96.
B charge sheet.
same complainant.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
Victim A, victim B ಇದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
No, whether it would meet 376(3) and 376(2) and POCSO, we will consider.
Still worse, my lord. May I just request you lordship, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, kindly have that, man, page 86 ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿ ಅದರ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದೇ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಎ, ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Kindly go to page 89. On the strength of this audio conversation,
89 ನಾ?
88 ಇಂದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ,
89 ಹೋಗೋಣ
89.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
Compilation ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್.
ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್.
80.
88 it commences.
ಹಾ.
Kindly go to 89 minutes for a second. At the top.
ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಅದಾ?
ಅದೇ.
ಹಾ.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ ಗಂಟೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿನ್ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೆಂಗಲೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅದಾನ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Next, kindly go to page 90, my lord.
This is the victim speaking?
Yes, victim. She admits in her 164 statement, yes, this is my voice, I spoke. My lord, what this fellow says is, I am going to marry you, you don't worry. You tell that lie. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Kindly go to page 90 now. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Then the victim says, ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ದೇವರಿದ್ದಾಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. Kindly go to page 90 now. ಹೇ ಓದ್ ನೀನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾರು? ನೀನ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವೋ, ಇದು ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಬೇಕಂತೀಯ, ಓದ್ಬೇಕಂತೀಯ, ನೀನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Kindly go to the next page, 91. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ 91 4th line from the top. ನಿನ್ ಮದ್ವೆಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತನಾ? ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ನಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಮದ್ವೆ, ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಅದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸಾರ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯ? ಸರ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ. ಇನ್ ಹರ್ 164 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟಿದೆ. Kindly go to 93, my lord. This would also be relevant. From the bottom, about 10 sentences above. ನಿನಗೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮಂಗೆ. ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನ್ ನಾವೇ ಸಾಕ್ತಿವಿ.
So this is victim B statement.
Victim.
The conversation
I
between.
shall give you lordship. May I just pass on the
Conversation
164
between
statement?
That the conversation between the one of the accused
Yes,
who
ನೀವು
came
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
first.
ಹೌದು.
The quash ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Conversation is
ಇದನ್ನ
part of the case file.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
This conversation.
What happened was this. I don't know how far I would be justified in making this submission before your lordship. The matter ought to have come up before the bench that is constituted to try the offences said to have been committed by the MLAs and MPs, farmer and all that. He was a former MLA, this man, the person who did it. And despite me making a motion, my lord, it has to go to
It's
the
my order, is it? No.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
roaster bench. My friend Mr. Jagdish was also there along with me on that day. We made a submission. Somehow, my lord, the court said, no, it has been listed before me, I would take it up. The petition came to be allowed. Now we have questioned it before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has admitted and the matter is pending. Anyway, that is incidental because since my friend Jagdish said it, I said it. That's it.
All right, now, see, this also is an amalgam of all the offenses.
Yes, yes. Same
Whatever I
offense.
have quashed finds place in this. So we will have to stay all that and you answer everything. Yes,
Like day after tomorrow, your lordship may keep it,
all right, but don't,
No, no.
now don't insist on,
It's complainant seems to have filed it.
that's
will
all
not-
right, yes. Heard the learned senior counsel C.V. Nagesh appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner in both the cases is common and the challenge is common as one petition pertains to victim A and the other victim B. This court, while answering the challenge to the charges so framed against this petitioner in writ petition 4511 of 2023 and 4531 of 2023, quashed certain charges and sustained certain charges. The matter incidentally reached the apex court and the apex court affirmed those findings in a different proceeding, albeit in a different proceeding. The charges so quashed were as follows, and the charges sustained are as follows. Madam, ಇಲ್ಲಿ mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The apex court directed that the special court would frame charges only in terms of what this court had directed. Therefore, the charges today against the petitioner in the aforesaid case is for offense punishable under section 376 2N, 376 3 and section 5 and 6 of the POCSO Act 2012. The present cases spring from the same complaint. The offense is identical. The cognizance taken in these cases run completely counter to what this court had held in the aforesaid case, which is noted and tacitly affirmed by the apex court. In that light, the offenses that are all quashed in the charges so framed in the aforesaid case shall inure to the benefit of the petitioner in the case at hand as well. The learned additional SPP would submit that he would go through the papers and make his submissions day after tomorrow, date today. The learned senior counsel submits that the complainant has already submitted a representation to the superintendent of police seeking the arrest of the petitioner. Therefore, till the matter is heard and disposed, no precipitative action shall be taken against the petitioner.
But the cognizance is also similar.
Ella,
Cognizance order is also similar.
completely similar.
ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಅದೇ ಆರ್ಡ್ರು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕೂಡ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, because
Same judge.
I myself quashed everything. I can't permit this to go on.
Same judge. Well, 96 also you will not.
Same, I'm tagging the two.
Please.
Tag this petition along with serial number 96. Yes, next.
Sure.